Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name's Jen and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this gorgeous eye look that I wanted to be more wearable to begin with, but then I decided just to have more fun with colors. So yeah, if you want to see how to create this gorgeous orangey, somewhat wearable, not too bold and crazy, but a little bit fun, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alrighty, so I want to do something a little bit more colorful, but still not too crazy. Colorful but wearable and fall inspired. So I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay Bright 2.0. I'm going to be using this a lot. And I'll probably do a review here shortly once I've used it a little bit more. Yeah, anywho, I'm going to scooch in a little bit closer and we'll just jump right into it. Alrighty, so to get started, I'm gonna be taking the color Mustard here and just kind of put it all into the crease. And I already have my eyelids primed with a concealer. Next, we're going to take Calypso and just kind of deepen that a little bit more into the crease, since that last color was a bit more of a transition color. And then back with that fluffy brush that we used Mustard on, I'm gonna take a tiny bit of that and just kind of blend that together better. Back in with Calypso. Gently just kind of feather the two together with this tapered brush. All right, again with that taper brush, I wiped it off, get the excess off. We're going to go in with We're going to go in with Hawk and just kind of deepen that even more. Fluffy brush. Tiny bit of Calypso on that fluffy brush. Alrighty, so we're gonna take some concealer and just kind of do the kind of halo eye, cut creasy, whatever you want to call it. That's probably too much. I like to use my finger and a brush to blend it out. It's just what works best for me. Concealer brush, mine stained blue for my last look. Tiny bit more on this eye. Okay, so with my finger, I'm gonna be taking Phoenix. Sorry, wobbly, and just pat that all over the eye. That's not quite shiny and bright enough for me, so we're gonna try Nectar and just kind of put that in the very center of the lid, just right on top. That's so much better. Without and with. Hopefully you can see that. All right, gonna go back in with that tapered brush with Hawk and just very gently blend out those edges a little bit where we put the shimmer. Alrighty, flat little shader brush. We're gonna take Hawk again. And then Calypso. Kind of blending over those. And I want to deepen the crease a tiny bit, so I'm taking Hawk again, and just a tiny bit. Fluffy blender. We'll clean up the edges here in a sec. a small little baby fluffy brush. We're taking mustard again. Alrighty, so for the inner corner, I'm just gonna take the bright white. It's called Sneakers. That's very bright. Then that little brush, we're just gonna blend that out a little. On top of that, I'm just gonna use the same highlighter I use for my face, which is the Milani one, just to add a little bit of shimmer. I impromptly decided to try wing eyeliner for the first time in like 3 years. So I got halfway started. I only messed up the eyeliner a lot, but it's fine. We're just gonna go with it. Mascara is the Catrice Glam Doll Easy Wash Off, which I love. Alrighty, and then last stop, close enough. Last step is lipstick, and I'm using my same Estee Lauder My Lips But Better, which is the let's see, Crazy Beautiful number 430, and it's their Pure Color Love lipstick range. So I just took a tiny bit of Praline from the eyeshadow palette that I used and just kind of rubbed it in, blended it with the lipstick to make it a little bit more brown and neutral, and I actually really like it. I don't know what you guys think, but I really like it. I think it looks a lot better and a lot less pink. As always, set my face. Lately I've been using the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. You really want to shake it up because it has kind of a little shimmer in it and you want it blended well. So just hold it away from the face. And now we're done. So that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment any suggestions or requests, and I will do my best to complete those for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!